Yes, good morning to all of you. Suraj Education Group welcomes you. I am Dr. Pankaj and today we are discussing about one of the most important topic of 11th class, that is reproduction in bryophytes. How fertilization in bryophytes takes place. So this one is the diagram of bryophytes. Okay, in case of bryophytes, this diagram represent LS of Archegonium. So we are discussing about LS of Archegonium. Archegonium is basically a flask shape. This one is the flask shape structure. Flask shape structure. फ्लास्क शेप स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिलेगा आर्किगोनियम, और इस आर्किगोनियम में आपको क्या नजर आएगा? दिस वन इज द स्टॉक ऑफ आर्किगोनियम एंड दिस swallow part of archegonium is known as venter. It is the fertile part of archegonium because it contains egg that is called oosphere. The above part that is known as strile part, and strile part represent the neck represent the strile part. Okay, these are the lid cells. These are basically called lid cells. Okay, next point. This cell, the cell above egg, is known as VCC, that is venter canal cell, and it is 1 in number. VCC. Above VCC there are 4 to 10 cells. 4 to 10 cells, that is called NCC, means neck canal cells, and above neck canal cell it is called lid, that totally cover the structure of archegonium. So these are lid cells and these are also 4 in number. Okay, the sex organs are multicellular and jacketed. You know very well about, in case of bryophytes, very important point of NCERT, the sex organs are multicellular and jacketed. So this one is the protective jacket. Okay, so this one is the jacket. Now how male gamete or anthrozoids enter into egg? एग पर कैसे एंटर करेगा एंथ्रोजोइड्स, जो मेल गैमेट्स है वो, ताकि फर्टिलाइजेशन हो पाए? तो देखिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कंसेप्ट है इसमें. क्या देखने को मिलेगा? एट मेच्योरिटी वीसीसी एंड एनसीसी डिग्रेडेड. सो वीसीसी एनसीसी डिग्रेड होगी कब? एट मेच्योरिटी. एट मेच्योरिटी वीसीसी एनसीसी डिग्रेडेड, वीसीसी एनसीसी डिग्रेड हो जाएगी और ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी म्यूसिलेज के अंदर. सो वीसीसी एनसीसी डिग्रेडेड एंड दे कन्वर्टेड इनटू म्यूसिलेज. म्यूसिलेज में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. नाउ म्यूसिलेज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय म्यूसिलेज? Mucilage is a thick glue-like substance that is secreted by some plants and some microorganisms. Okay, so thick glue-like substance is known as viscous glue-like. You can say viscous glue-like substance, that is called mucilage. Now mucilage absorb water and swell. Okay, so now mucilage जो है वो water को absorb करेगा. It absorb water and swell up. तो म्यूसिलेज एब्जॉर्ब करेगा वाटर को और स्वेल हो जाएगा. स्वेल होने से नाउ म्यूसिलेज मूव इनटू द अपर डायरेक्शन. इट मूव्स इनटू द अपर डायरेक्शन एंड इट शो प्रेशर. इट एक्सर्ट प्रेशर ओवर लिड सेल्स. लिड सेल्स पर ये प्रेशर अपना शो करेगा, जिससे लिड सेल्स की ओपनिंग हो जाएगी और म्यूसिलेज बाहर सीक्रेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो म्यूसिलेज कम्स आउट. म्यूसिलेज कम्स आउट इनटू द वाटर. म्यूसिलेज वाटर में कम्स आउट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. सो नाउ क्वेश्चन अराइज, हाउ मेल गैमेट एंटर इनटू द फीमेल गैमेट. फीमेल गैमेट के पास मेल गैमेट कैसे अब एंटर होगा? So the mucilage contains some chemicals. This type of movement is known as chemotactic movement. So mucilage contains some chemicals and these chemicals attract the male gametes. So male gamete move towards the chemicals. Okay, so mucilage contains chemicals and these chemicals are chemoattractant in nature, through which anthrozoids or sperm attract and moves through the upper part of archegonium and now fertilization takes place. When it meet to egg and sperm, fertilization takes place. This process is called syngamy. You know very well about syngamy. The fertilization is called syngamy, and water is essential for fertilization. In plants, when water is required for fertilization, such type of method is known as, very important question, zooidogamy. Zooidogamy. Zooidogamy is a process through which male gamete enter into female gamete with the help of water. So this process is known as zooidogamy. Some bryophytes, pteridophytes, some algae also show the process of zooidogamy. Okay, now one of the most important point, you know very well, bryophytes are known as amphibians of the plant kingdom. Why they are known as amphibians of the plant kingdom? Because they require water for fertilization. The anthrozoids require water for the phenomena of fertilization, so they are called amphibians of the plant kingdom. So this one is all about the fertilization in bryophytes.